Hey guys, I know some of you need some help getting into some learning.com. So here's a quick tutorial. In your address bar, you're just going to click. You want to go to learning.com. When you get there, you're going to hit login, top right corner, login. And then you have to enter all this information. Everybody has different passwords and usernames. So you're going to enter your information, whatever your username is that I gave you, your password, and then this last one is your district. If you type Passaic City, usually it pops up. Click on it. Then you're going to click the orange login button. And it loads into your classroom. You have all your lessons here. Just click on one. It'll open up. And you can start working. If it says that, you can continue. Remember, you can do lessons more than once. So even if you have a score for a lesson, you can do it over, click on it, and start again. Have a great day, guys.